Look how crazy this place is. Binondo, this church. Crazy. And I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck just waiting to get to the other side of the street. But these people have no discipline. Look at this. Stupid assholes just like walking like that. Go for it. I'm so mean. I'm such an evil asshole. I'm so mean to my own kind. Actually, wait. Why? Because I don't want to die. But it's okay. I'll do it when no one's looking as well, so I shouldn't be complaining. This is Binondo. Binondo still with the basilica. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we can now walk. Yay! Let's walk. Boom! Look at that. Just walking.